there. I need to have a word with you.
It's all good. Calm down.
Larned side may be small, but it's still a working farm. Mind yourself.
Okay.
I'm being nice here.
Well, you weren't being nice. Pointing a gun at someone and saying, I'm being nice here, is not my definition of being nice. I just stopped to look at your warped tree. I apologise if I stepped on the grave here. It wasn't my intent to sort of desecrate the grave of something, but that's not what you were on about. You came up here talking about this being a working farm. I guess that's down there. Maybe you told me from the campsite. But that didn't really have to go down like that at all, did it? God's sake. There you go. God. Some people just don't have to be sociable. He says, looting a corpse. Hello there YouTube, welcome to Night's Arcade. I'm Sleepless Night, and we're back in Red Dead Redemption 2. Today, we're gonna go and hunt a legendary animal once again. So we're fast travelling at the moment from the camp. If you didn't know you could do that, you just need to upgrade Dutch's camp fully and upgrade Arthur's camp fully. Or upgrade Dutch's tent fully and upgrade Arthur's tent fully, and then there'll be a little map on the back of his wagon, Arthur's wagon, where you can choose certain points to fast travel from, but it only works from camp. You can't fast travel back, you can't fast travel to anywhere else. So I'm fast travelling to the Wapiti Indian Reservation because it's the closest point to the animal that we're looking for, which I assume is a coyote. It's either that or a wolf, but a coyote would be my bet. So we'll see. Look at that, beautiful. Suddenly just turned up the tap there and they got a bit of a gush of water as we were looking at it. There we go, nice fluffy clouds. Nice pine and fir trees there. Probably don't want to go into the Indian reservation at this point. Anyway, so that's where we are, and this is about where we're going. So let's head there, shall we? Sorry, unless... Okay. So, we're at the... give you a broader view here. Wapiti Indian Reservation. Up near Barker Station. North of Fort Wallace-ish. North-northeast. North-northwest, sorry, of Fort Wallace is where we're sort of going for this legendary animal. Fort Wallace here. Up in the north end of the map there. So we fast travelled here, and now we're going to go hunt down this dog. Whatever kind of dog it is, I don't rightly know. But we're hunting it. Whatever kind of dog it is. Morning, everybody. You're not allowed to use weapons here. It says weapons forbidden, actually, at the Wapiti Indian Reservation, but I think it's just use of those weapons out in the open that is forbidden. I've never tried. Maybe, you know, we'll have to. Really want to upset an enormous camp full of Native American Indians and get them on my back about stuff, really, about using my weapons. Probably not a very good idea, so... So me and Steve, I hope Steve isn't going to get all upset about this, and I probably should make sure that Steve's not too close by, really, because, you know, we don't really want anything to happen to Steve, because that would be bad news. Pronghorn ram. An elk. Or several elk, I guess. Legendary animal territory. I'm not going to hitch Steve to a tree or anything here. I know that helps regain his health, but we don't want him to be prevented from running off. So, but what we do want, before we walk away from poor little Steve, is we want the rolling block rifle and quite possibly the shotgun. Double barrel shotgun. I mean, I've got a sawn-off on me, but rolling block. There we go. So let's take a gander around and see what we can see, shall we? Ah. There we go. Picked up its scent already. Well, you know, not literally, but I'm sure once we got close enough to whatever this is, probably a big pile of shit, we'll certainly pick up its scent. Yes.
We got a trail.
Wolf.
This could take a while.
Could it really? I thought you said we had a trail. Where's the trail go? We go in that direction. Okay. See, once again, you see, I find the trail easier to follow when it's just these little bits of wafty lines. Honestly. By the way, rather than sort of doing that, putting that down each time and then pressing the RB button to start tracking it again, if before that bar on the right there in the bottom corner runs out, you double press the sticks back in, you'll get it starts again. So just do that every now and again, you should be okay. Yikes. Dinner for wolf. Fur.
Reckon I got a ways to go.
You do, you? Okay. Okay. Get off. Inspect the carcass. Wolf carcass.
Gotta be close.
Gotta be close. Close by. Somewhere. Let's hope this thing doesn't come for me too quickly and I have to shoot it in the face with a shotgun. I should probably actually get the shotgun out in case I surprise it, really, shouldn't I? Then I can always get the rifle out if I don't. Or in case it surprises me, really, is what I should say. To be honest. Duck down, you idiot. Holy crap. Yep, we're going to need the rifle out. And we're going to need to be really quick.
Nice and easy. Stay there.
Oh, God damn it. This could go bad. This could go bad. It's going to go all kinds of bad. Woo! Okay. Oh, I'm gonna need a new pair of shorts. Should have had this out to begin with, really. Oh man. See? Called the thing, didn't move. Then it comes back. Wow. Oh, damn. That was upsetting. Mustn't forget my hat. We're just gonna get wolf blood all over it now. Ah! Scarier when it's dead. Well, and skinned. Scarier without its skin on, but I suppose most things are, really. Aren't they? I should just pick up my hat. I mean, I don't need to, because I can... There we go. Okay. I can't harvest all of this animal's parts. I could discard some unwanted items. Let's eat some beans for a start. Regenerate my health a wee bit. Wow, wait a second. I had one here. Valerian root. Consuming this will give you Deadeye experience. Look at that. Deadeye to level 6. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pick up the Legendary Wolf. Right. Now then. Let's see if we can get Steve to come over here. Steve seems a bit skittish, so, you know, we need to bond a little bit more, but he's coming this way, so assuming Absolute stays here and doesn't just run off at the sight of all these deer carcasses, we should be alright. Alright, Steve. Let's go find a trapper. I think it'll be the old man in the woods. It'll be Trapper Dan again, I think. Oh, bloody hell. Maybe not. Trapper Dan is a long way off. We're going to go around Fort Wallace to get there. Okay, well, I guess that's where we're going. See you there, folks. Unless something... Ow. Unless something interesting happens in the meantime. Steve, you need to calm down, mate. Honestly. So here's Trapper Dan, look. Brought him a wolf pelt.
Welcome back, sir. So, buying or selling?
Selling. Today, you may
Let's have a look.
a legendary wolf pelt, sir, for which he'll give me $43. That's not bad. Not too bad. Not too bad at all.
Once in a lifetime, eh?
Well, yeah. Well, once in a play line. But I see where you were coming from, Dan. It's okay. Don't worry about it. No fret. That sounds like bad news, Dan. So if you don't mind, I'm going to be out of here. Oh, looks like I thought Steve had already skedaddled there, but he hasn't. He's right here, look. And let's see then if we can go to get a wee trinket made. Ladio here will make trinkets for me, won't he? So we'll just go to Ladio. Just the last thing we do before we go is we'll go to Ladio and see if he can make me a trinket now. See you there. So here we are at Emerald Ranch. I'm going to drop by and see Seamus. Yeah, I forget he didn't even know I was there at the last minute. We're going to stop here and see Seamus. Assuming Seamus is alright with that. Steve, chill out, Steve. Steve, where are you going? Why won't you turn around? There you go.
Good one, boy.
Chill out, Steve. There's a good lad. Right, I'm going to see if Seamus will make us a trinket.
Mister?
Who's your buddy there, Seamus?
You're back. Go on, have yourself a quick nosy.
Well, it's cool.
Looking to get something put together, huh?
Yeah, sure am. Wolf heart trinket. which does what? Player can consume 2 more alcohol before feeling negative effects of being drunk. Really? That's it? That's what you get.
Okay, that
Oh
should
well,
work.
why not? Might as well get them for the set, don't we? Gotta catch them all.
Stay safe and quiet now.
Oh,
Okay,
Seamus,
boy.
be quiet.
Let's go.
Okay, Steve, let's be on our way. In fact, let's do this bit and ride off into the sunset. So you can follow me on Twitter at knights_arcade, which is something, of course, that generally speaking, outlaws and cowboys of all types did not say before riding off into the sunset. But I'm saying it because, you know, you can. As far as this channel goes, like if you like the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment. They're always appreciated. I do have a Patreon account now, by the way. I don't know how far I've got with it at this point. It's still a work in progress. If you're the kind of person who feels like you want to contribute to the channel, go ahead. Personally, it doesn't matter to me. If you want to sit here and keep watching my videos for free, please, please do. They'll always be free as long as I have breath in my body and the equipment to make them. So if you've been watching for free, please continue to do so. But that's it. As we ride off into the sunset, me and Steve, I'm going to have a look at this interesting tree, see if it's something that Arthur can draw. But until next time, from Knights Arcade, this is Sleepless Night, saying nighty-night.